Did Hanover take your heart? Tell me how in the comments. Thank you.
Did you enjoy these sights? If so, please continue and enjoy the music too.
What is special about Hanover? Answer in the comments, please. Thanks. All of the places here are enjoyable. But, I'm really wondering, where do you actually enjoy your time? Can you tell me that in the comment?
Break the barriers of passivism. Simply interact with the channel.
A friend in need is, well, you know the rest.
Ein Freund in Not ist, na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Join the Feminist Tries community.
Having no snowfall during this tour in Hanover in March reminded me of the effects of global warming. As snow lover to the level that I am sometimes thinking to move to Siberia, or maybe the Eskimo land, I refer to all the facts behind the crises that have befallen our world since the end of the Cold War era. Explaining ground facts in my ethical journalism. You may want to get involved if you love the nature which has been in balance since the creation of this universe, so we can form a strong network and change the world.
Die unsere Welt seit dem Ende der Ära des Kalten Krieges heimgesucht haben, und erkläre Grundfakten in meinem ethischen Journalismus. Vielleicht möchten Sie sich engagieren, wenn Sie die Natur lieben, die seit der Erschaffung dieses Universums im Gleichgewicht ist, damit wir ein starkes Netzwerk bilden und die Welt verändern können. Sei ein Tiger.
Journalism is an ethical profession. Unfortunately, many journalists don't care about journalistic ethics. However, if you decided to be a journalist respected by all people, you must understand the principles of a free and independent press. Here they are with bad journalism experiences to learn from. So, if you want to be a good journalist with a wide knowledge of everything that is happening in the world, you must learn from a journalist who has worked in this profession and has been forced to flee his land for more than 50 years. Sign up for Intelligentsia newspaper for free now.